Welcome to the DFY AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create and manage blogs. Go to the left menu and click on Create Blogs. And choose Create Blog from the drop-down. Now you are on the Create Blog page. Select your site from the drop-down. You can create your blog. Just enter the title and add your blog. You can also add an image to your blog. Click on the Submit button and your blog will be added to your website. Or you can create automated blogs by inserting the keyword and clicking on the Submit button. And your blogs will be generated. You can see your all generated blogs on the Manage Blogs page. You can also delete any blog from the list. Go to your site. Click on Blogs and you can see your all generated blogs. Thanks for watching the video.